Okay.
I know what is sin. Because even in the mantras, it says, Pavapal Narakadimastu. The wages of sin is hell.
Oh, I see. Okay.
But in the Bible, it says only death.
Death.
But the Sanskrit mantra says directly to hell.
To hell, okay.
So I know what is sin. Rogu, sogu, dukhu, balavanu, bandhu, veshanasya, atma, aparada, virshanam, falani, yedani, dehinam. So the fruit of the tree, the man is considered as a tree.
Yeah.
And what is the fruit of sin? Rog,
Okay.
sog, dukh,
Yeah.
bandhan.
All right.
All these things are the fruit of this sinful tree.
Okay.
So when he was explaining, I thought, oh, this is all I know.
Yeah, okay.
How to escape from the bondage of sin, how
that
to be
was the
redeemed,
question, yes.
how to be saved from the sin.
All right.
Because in the Viveka Chudamani and other slokas says, na tapa, na snana, na yogena, na dhyana, na shastresu, na vidya. See, neither by austerity or neither by performing yoga or by studying the mantras and scriptures, neither by intellectual knowledge, neither by giving alms to the poor, this will not save from the bondage of sin.
All right.
It's only the grace of God. So I thought that if these things cannot save me, who is the savior?
Right.
There must be a person. So even in the Hindu mantras, they say this Nirguna or Parabrahma has to take a form so that we can see him. So the Parabrahma has to appear in flesh, Saguna Brahma.
Oh, that's written in...
Yeah, in Brahma Bandhu Upanishad, it says, Vakyo Vai Brahma. That means the word was
flesh.
God.
Oh, I see.
Sabdakshara Parabrahma. The same word became in flesh.
I see.
So the
Okay.
Parabrahma became Sagana Brahma,
All right.
who was in the beginning the word or the mantra or the pranava or the Om.
Okay.
Whoever came to this word in a human form. And Rigveda says he will be born to a Kumari.
Okay.
And Kumari Garbha Sambhava. He will born to a Kumari.
To a virgin.
So these are all things which made me confused on those days. Who is this God? Who is this God? When I was in 9th standard and 10th standard, I studied, I took Sanskrit as an optional study, through which I was able to understand some meaning of these mantras, what I have been telling. So curiosity was more in me